Learning is evolving, and AI is leading the way.
Jamendo.com.
Eduvin proudly conducted an engaging AI workshop, opening the doors to the world of artificial intelligence for students. From interactive sessions to practical AI applications, students discovered how innovation is shaping the future.
Jamendo.com.
Curious minds turned ideas into creativity as they learned, explored, and experimented with new technology.
Jamendo.com.
A workshop created to empower the next generation of innovators and thinkers.
Jamendo.com.
Eduvin, where education meets innovation.